you have to mentally let go. Ang iba kasi, nakukuha nila yung physical let go, pero nasa isip nila, yung anxiety level nila, shit, babagsak ako, shit, na-tempt lang ako, shit. Kapag gano'n, yung katawan mo, magkakaroon siya ng mas mataas na stress level, yung mga muscles mo magte-tense up, hindi ka makaka-relax. Pag hindi ka makarelax, yung motor, ma-upset siya yung balance ng motor. The motorcycle can balance itself as long as it's moving. Pero kung ikaw na rider ay tensionado at kabado at inaatake ng anxiety na baka matumba kayo, matutumba talaga kayo. So completely mentally let go. Ano yung number 3? You have to psychologically let go. Meron kasing nagle-let go ng handlebar, nagnunuhan kasi gusto magpayabang, gusto magpakul, gustong magpa-astig. Wrong intention, man. Kapag yun ang ginawa mo, ang tendency nun, baka makasakit ka ng ibang tao sa paligid. Baka masaktan mo yung sarili mo, baka makasakit ka ng iba. So, psychologically, let go. Why? What's the reason? Isa lang naman yun eh. Ako, honestly gumuhungan ngayon tong Skyway. The reason why I let go of the bike is because I want to relax my upper body. I want to relax my back, my lower back. I want to relax my arms. I want to chill. Kasi nakakapagod eh. Ito, medyo sumsub yung setup ko eh. So that's the only reason why I do that. Ngayon, kung gagawin ko yun para magmayabang, magpakul, magpa-astig, one day I'm gonna hurt someone, or maybe one day I'm gonna hurt myself, and that's bad. That's really bad. So yung tatlong steps on how to do the no hands on the motorcycle. Completely let go. You can do that by completely physically letting go. Relax, sit up straight. Mentally let go. Trust the process, maniwala ka sa motor mo, huwag kang atakihin ng anxiety na matutumba kayo kasi lalo kayong matutumba ng motor. And then psychologically, ang intention mo dapat is to relax your upper body, hindi para magmayabang o magpakul para sa social media. That's not what it's for. Final tip, kung gusto nyo mag-practice ng no hands, do it in a safe environment. Para kung malisgrasya kayo lang, wala kayong nadamay. Number 2, believe it or